Hey, hi, good morning. Don't mind my voice. I seem to have a trouble with my throat. I am thinking of doing a 24-hour glow up because why not? But it'll be completely at home and I don't have any money. Plus, I need to poop. Bye. Potty. Mind you, I do not have any fancy stuff lying around like Papa Earth mask. So you're mostly gonna see me jugadify or like do some DIY or something. I do not own any major beauty tools. Plus I live with my parents, so I can't just spend the whole day on my glow up only. I have other chores to do like cleaning the house and stuff. So that's that. I should cut the talking and just start with it. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash my face first because if you can see, I still haven't washed my face. I'm just gonna tie my hair into a bun. Talking of my hair. My hair has not been very good. We're gonna make it work. I haven't combed my hair in like 3 days. I know I'm gross, but I just don't feel like doing anything to myself anymore. The fact that I'm doing this video is because of the comments that I received on my previous video, which wasn't even a video, which was like my state of mind in a video. That's it. I needed help, and I know I still haven't replied to the comments, but I've read all of them and they are the reason that I am a little more happy today. I'm not gonna say very cliche lines, but thank you for commenting. It did work. I'm gonna do something to my hair. My brows I have to fix. My mustache, it is this long, okay? I don't shave my face. I have been getting some spots on my face. I don't even think you are able to see it because the camera makes you look so damn gorgeous. But trust me, whatever you're saying there now, it is at least 3 times worse in reality.
I have spots here. This thing hurts. I don't even know if this is a pimple. There are spots here. There is a pimple kind of thing here. Then my nose.
I have ruined my nose, like, for which I have been made fun of. But I don't apply anything on my face anymore. I just use a soap. Since my teenage, I have just been ruining my body. So I'm at that point that I don't experiment anymore. Mostly. Why am I talking so much? Okay, shut up. So I'm gonna do the brows and this mustache area. So after I'm done with this, I will oil my hair because otherwise there will be oil on my face and then the hair won't come out very nicely. So the tools I have for my brows are this comb, a thread, a tweezer and a scissor. Normally I would just use this for my brows, but to make it fancy I have all of this stuff. But I'm still gonna use just tweezer, come on. It is painful. You know, I'm going to be 24 soon. And for my whole life I didn't get any makeup except for kajal. But this year only, it was my cousin's wedding, and for that I bought makeup, real makeup, for the very first time. Otherwise I only had those 2 kids palette, you know. So then came the day that we actually had to go to that city to attend that function. What is that? To attend that function. But we didn't go to the wedding because we were scared of COVID. I was so sad because I bought all of that makeup just for that one function. And makeup is expensive, okay? Like, just one brush can cost you so much. I'm gonna thread my face. By the way, I bought this like at least 2 years ago, and it still has this much thread, and it costed me just rupees 30. So yeah, I'm getting rich by saving all the money on my threading. I just take this much length of thread, but please don't consider this a tutorial. Oh no, please don't. I have learned threading from none other than the beauty queen Alexandra. Me being the hack guru, let me just give it that tip. Okay. Shit, I lost my thread. I'm such a dumb person, dude. Oops. Dude, it's already 8:55. It's 9 already. I started around 8. So in 1 hour, I have just done my eyebrows. Speed, girl, speed, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna shut up and do my mustache because one, I cannot talk while doing this, and second, I need to turn on the fan because otherwise I sweat here and then the hair is not gonna get plucked out. Now I'm quickly gonna oil my hair because it's 9:10 already. Glow ups can be fun if you're like living alone or if you don't have any responsibilities, but like when you have other stuff to do along with the glow up, it's not really that easy. So yes, now I'm just quickly going to oil my hair and then go downstairs and clean the house and do stuff, help my mom. This is the oil that I will be using. I usually like to warm it up. Today I'm running short of time, so I'm just going to use this directly. I'm going to switch on the fan because otherwise I'm going to sweat. I'm done with the cleaning of the ground floor, and now I'll have to clean this mess up. Yesterday and day before yesterday I was making some crafts. It turned out really cute. Let me show you. See, what did I make? And then another cutie. See? And this is all the mess that it has done. See. I'm getting very late. I'm gonna take a bath and then meet you. Bye. So I just took a bath and I have wrapped my hair in a cotton cloth. This is what I generally do. Now I'm gonna go downstairs. My throat. Now I'm gonna go downstairs and have something. Like, I have not eaten anything since morning. So, and also my parents are like, oh, where are you? So I'm gonna go and I'll meet you after I come upstairs again. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is all of the hair that I have, and I'm going to shave it off. And now time for everyone's holy grail, the Gillette Venus razor. Now I know I should be shaving it like this, but I do it like that. Okay, so I'm all done and smooth. I almost took a shower again because I had to shave my whole body. So yes, shaving is done. And honestly, I feel way better now.
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
And I think now it's time for pedicure and manicure, and it's not what you think. By pedicure I mean I'm going to dip my feet into water, like plain water, and then use the pumice stone to to like rub my dead heels away, I mean dead skin on my heels away, because I have a lot. And if you don't want to see dirty feet, I think you might want to just click away, because my feet are gross. I am gross, I know that. If you don't know, I have another channel which is related to like art and craft and upcycling stuff. I generally tend to use like putty or paint or something which gets into my nails. So I'm gonna cut them short, and that will be my manicure. So yes, pretty basic. Can you see that? Ew. Dude. I have like crazy dead skin here. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my feet. Okay, so now it's time for my dirty nails. You do see that? Ew. Why do I even take a bath? I can't be a girl, dude. Ew. Okay, so for my hands, I'm not even gonna think twice. I'm gonna just cut my nails because I cannot manage longer nails. That's a fact. That was my manicure. LOL. Okay, so I'm almost done. The flashlight is blinding me. Okay, hair done. Although I did want to give myself a haircut, but that would not be possible today. I know that for sure. I dealt with my facial hair, whatever I do. Then I shaved my whole body, which felt really good. Then I cut my nails and I did my pedicure, whatever it was. Only step left for me, according to me, is that I have to apply Boroline on my heels, I mean on my feet, and then I'll just put on some socks and sleep, although it's very hot, but that helps getting you like really soft feet. So I'm gonna do that. I did want to put nail paint on my nails, but then I know I cannot maintain it, so why even. Also, I don't think I will be able to do the dress up part, which is usually there in the glow up videos today, because it's already night. You know, the lighting sucks. I'm using flashlight. I know it is what it is. I think I'll see you tomorrow, but tomorrow I have office. Oh, I don't even want to talk about it. I think whatever. I don't even know what am I gonna do. How is this video gonna end?